Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving into the world of oral care with a product that's making waves in the market. Get ready to upgrade your brushing routine because we're about to explore why the Philips Sonicare 4100 Power Toothbrush is hands down the best Sonicare electric toothbrush out there. Now, before we delve into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about what sets this toothbrush apart from the rest. With its sleek design and advanced features, the Sonicare 4100 is a game-changer in oral hygiene. First off, let's talk about plaque removal. This toothbrush doesn't mess around. It removes up to 7 times more plaque than a manual toothbrush, giving you that dentist clean feeling every time you brush. And check this out. It's got a built-in smart timer with quad pacer to ensure you're brushing for the dentist recommended 2 minutes. No more guessing if you've brushed long enough. But wait, there's more. The Sonicare 4100 also features a pressure sensor and 2 intensity settings. So you can protect your gums from overbrushing and customize your brushing experience. Now, let's talk about value. This toothbrush offers premium features at an affordable price point. You're getting top-notch quality without breaking the bank. But don't just take my word for it. Customers are raving about the Sonicare 4100. They love how it leaves their teeth feeling squeaky clean and appreciate its long-lasting battery life. So there you have it, folks, the Philips Sonicare 4100 Power Toothbrush. If you're looking to elevate your oral care routine, look no further. This toothbrush has got you covered. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest and greatest products.